Hey guys, this is Nash back with another ROM. Today we are going to review AOSiP, also known as Android Open Source Illusion Project. And this ROM is based on latest Android Oreo 8.1. So let's get started. So this is the kind of home screen you get from very first boot, and the default launcher in this ROM is Pixel Launcher 3. Now this is a good launcher if you're looking for Android P theme. Also this launcher lets you change your icon packs and icon shapes. And as you can see, this ROM comes with latest security patch of April 5. Now this ROM is not pre-rooted, so you will have to root this ROM yourself. And also not to forget, this ROM has OTA updates, so you can easily update your ROM when there is next update available. And in the color theme engine, normal custom ROMs have 3 options, but this ROM has 4 options: automatic, light, dark and black AF. Now you can only use black AF if you have OLED display, otherwise it will drain your battery the same way. And in my case I'm using Redmi Note 4, so I can't actually take advantage of black AF. Now let's talk about features and customization. Apart from normal customization like status bar, quick setting, navigation bar, reset menu customization, you have this advanced setting option here. And in the advanced setting you find app OPS. Now it's a privacy feature where you can control your apps. Now this feature is similar to CyanogenMod privacy guard. Here you can control how much of your data will be shared with individual app. Also in advanced setting you find suspend action settings, where you can suspend activities after your screen is off, like your mobile data, and for me, I turn off my GPS after my screen is off. And that gives me this outstanding standby time battery life. As you can see, I haven't charged my phone in last 3.5 days, and with remaining percentage it says I have 5 days more, but probably I will get around 2 days if I keep my phone on standby. And speaking of battery life, the screen on time is decent. I got 6 hours of screen on time, and standby time, as I said, is outstanding on this ROM because of that suspend activity feature. So in my last 3 days of using this ROM, I found the ROM is super smooth. No F-force close, no random remote, no glitches. You can play heavy games easily. Also you can play PUBG without getting extra heat on your phone. So this is definitely a must flash custom ROM. It's worth daily driver. With that beautiful boot animation and some unique features with OTA updates, I'm going to give this ROM 4.6 out of 5. So this custom ROM is available for many phones. You can check the link below for that. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like this video. This is your friend Nash signing out, and I will see you tomorrow.